channel. Hope you guys are doing great. You can see I'm looking stunning, beautiful. I want to show you guys how you can style this hair, okay? Because the wig is 4x4 lace closure. You know, 4x4 is just up to this place, okay? So I'm going to try to lose the coils, because the more you lose the coils, the more fuller the hair becomes. The texture is so lovely, so lovely. So let's move ahead to this video. What I want to start with, I want to put the parting. I'm going to put the parting by the side. So because this one I did a center part, so this time around I don't want to do center part. I just want to change the parting, kind of C part. Okay. Let me try and close this parting that I did before. Alright, so I just want to do a C part. Let's change this.
Rewind, it feels so nice. I can't I'm your little pinky, and nothing to watch, nothing there. This crush is hard. I wanna celebrate, you know, our togetherness.
So you see the way I transform the hair. So 4x4, but when you look at it right now, you don't know that it's 4x4. Excuse me, my voice. So you see how gorgeous this look.
I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that.
So guys, I want to try and make it.
Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy.
So this is another way you can style the hair. Let me show you guys the back.
I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go in.
So guys, that is it. So I just said I should share this with you guys in this video, how you can style this week. Okay, that is it guys. I hope you liked this video, you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
You a treasure, feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a